Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Beach, a dentist with Shreveport Bossier Family Dental Care. We're up here at our North Shreveport location, which is located about a half a mile south of the new I-49. We're about a mile north of the Shreveport line going up here towards Blanchard, just so you kind of know where we are. This is one of our newer facilities. We opened up in 2013, and I just kind of want to introduce all the patients out there to our staff and what our facility looks like, so you know what to expect when you come in. So y'all come on in, let's go take a look. And this is the reception area of our North Shreveport office. As you come to the front, you'll notice that Kristen will be here, and she's the one that's going to be taking care of all your paperwork, your insurance information, any medical history stuff, medical history information, all the forms and information that our staff needs to begin the charting process. It all begins right here with Kristen. So be looking for Kristen as you come in the door. This is our reception area once again, and we've got magazines, we've got TVs to watch. Hopefully you won't be in here very long, but this is where you'll hang out until one of the assistants or the hygienist comes and gets you for your appointment. All right, well, let's come on the back. We'll meet some of the girls that work behind this counter here. I want you to meet some of our administrative staff here, and first you're going to meet our patient care coordinator, which is Aubrey. Aubrey's been with us a few years now, and she's going to tell us some more things about what she does. Aubrey, this is Aubrey. Aubrey's going to be taking care of any of the more in-depth, the longer, a little bit more stringent treatment plans that we come across on a daily basis. Aubrey, can you kind of tell us more about it? You know, a patient comes in, needs some work done. Do we have any financial options available to, help our patients out with the cost of dentistry?
We do. We have a couple of financial options available. We have Care Credit, which is a third-party finance company. They have interest rates at 0% interest for 6 or 12 months for the patient. We also have our own membership club program that we offer to our non-insured patients, that you get a cleaning, 2 cleanings a year, needed doctor's exams and x-rays at those visits, 1 emergency visit per year, and it's an $89 activation fee, $34 a month, and you get 20% off of any treatment that needs to be done.
Can you tell them a little about Care Credit for the patients that might need some more financing for the dental care that they need?
They do have a lengthier option where you can do that does have an interest rate of 14.9% that they can extend the payments out depending on the full charge to 48 months and sometimes even 60 months.
Great. Well, if you have any questions about this, and North Shreveport location is good for you, you'll be talking to Aubrey about all that. She's very well informed, very smart, brilliant girl. So come talk to her. She's got plenty of answers for any question you might have. So come on, let's meet some more of the staff. Next we have Chastity. Chastity's one of our checkout team members. So as you get done with your cleaning appointment, or say you had a filling done by Dr. Katie, or you'll be coming, Chastity will check you out. She'll go over some more of your insurance information once again, and she goes over estimates and anything else you might need from a financial standpoint of getting your dental work done. She takes care of all that. So I just you'll see a lot of Chastity. And then next we have Nicole. Nicole, you want to step back here for me? This is Nicole. She is actually our front desk team leader. She's been with us, 8-9 years now. She's a great team member. We love having her around. Nicole, if I'm a new patient coming in, what are the main things that I need to bring with me to my first appointment?
I would say the main thing would be of course your ID, your driving license, your insurance card, and any medical information that we need to know. That's important for us to do good treatment on you, so that would be awesome to bring in.
Yeah, great. Nicole, you've been with us, like I said, 8-9 years now. I mean, a long time, so she's seen and done it all, and lucky for me, she puts up with me and she's still here this long. So Nicole, what keeps you coming back to work every day? What do you like about our office? What makes our office different than maybe other offices might be at, or not even other offices, just other workplaces that you've been at in the past?
One thing that I like is the teamwork. We have good teamwork here. We take care of our patients. We meet their needs. You know, whatever they may need, we're here for our patients. One thing I like is that the patients, that, you know, they've been a patients for a long time. They become friends. You know, so it goes beyond just treatment. You know, it's an overall family here. And like I said, the hard work, dedication, the doctors, you know, they do good dental work. You know, I can't say that enough. You know, this is a good place to work for.
Well, great, great. And of course, all you people out, this is all unscripted. I did not tell her to say any of this. This is kind of off the cuff, so I'm glad she feels so highly of it. So we appreciate all her hard work and all these girls up here. We've got a great staff up here. So y'all come and see them. Let's come on the clinical staff, and I want you to meet some of those girls too. Okay, this is our hygiene department. This is where you'll come for all your cleaning appointments. If you're a new patient, you need x-rays, an exam, and a cleaning, this is where you'll come. This is what one of our hygiene operatories looks like. We've got TVs. We try to make patients feel comfortable. We've got nice, comfortable chairs. Everything is state of the art. We've got the newest technology available in dentistry. And I want to try to catch some of these hygienists maybe in between patients here, so we can talk a little bit more to them. I want you guys to meet our head hygienist here at North Shreveport. She heads up our hygiene department, and her name is Megan. Megan, how you doing?
Hey,
doing all right?
good, yeah.
This is Megan Welch. She's, like I said, she's she heads up our hygiene department up here in North Shreveport, so you'll probably see a lot of her. Megan's been with us, what, 5-6 years now?
6 years.
Yeah. And we're so glad to have her. You know, Megan, if I'm a new patient, I'm coming in for a clean for the first time. I mean, what should I expect? What's going to happen, you know, when I get here?
When you walk in the door, we'll make you feel really comfortable, like you're at home. You know, we'll have you seat, and we'll take a full set of x-rays. You know, we're going to take digital x-rays so that you can see really closely and in detail and see, you know, what's going on in the mouth. That way we can go ahead and pre-diagnose any diseases that you may have. You know, we'll take a panoramic view of your TMJ. We always do a full cancer screening. And then once we sit you back and we take a closer look, we have an intraoral camera that will go around and do a restorative screening for, and we'll save those photos to the chart. That way we can show you what we're looking at. Another thing we'll do before we clean the teeth is we'll check for periodontal disease. So what that is we'll go around and we'll check the pockets around the teeth and make sure that there's no gum infection there. We want to make sure that the teeth aren't loose. We want to make sure that everything's healthy, because we know that your overall health starts in your mouth. So we always look at everything very thoroughly, and then we do that before we start cleaning the teeth and before the doctor comes in to check everything. So.
Our hygiene staff is great. We've got some great hygienists at this office who really take care of their patients, and it's really gotten to where we got patients come in, they don't want to see the doctor, they just want to see her or the other hygienist, which is great. That just speaks volumes about the staff we have here. Megan, you've been out of hygiene school how long? 10, 12 years?
10 years this year.
And you've been with us 6 of that. You worked at other offices. Megan, what makes our office different than the other hygiene departments you've worked for in the past, and other offices you've been with? I mean, what makes us different that, you know, has kept you here so long?
When I first started here, it just felt like home. And you know, that's really hard to find a place that you feel like the people you work with love you and they take care of you. And that allows you to feel more comfortable with your patients and really take care of them. Patients, I've never had so many patients at any office I've ever worked for before tell me how much they love us and how much we treat them like family.
Right.
So it really does feel like home. You know, you don't dread driving to work. You come here and you feel comfortable. You know, and that's why I'm still here. I love my bosses. I love our team. You know, we take really good care of each other and our patients. And our patients love us back, so they tell everybody about us, which there's no better reward than having your patient tell you.
You know, it's funny, this North Shreveport office, y'all got people that drive from Natchez, from
Dallas patients.
Dallas, and it's unbelievable, you know, how big of a following these girls have garnered here. So, man, you guys are doing it right, man. Y'all are awesome, and I'm proud to be working with girls like this that care so much about their patients and the practice, and basically just do things the right way, and that's what we pride ourselves on. So, well, thanks a lot. We appreciate your time. So, let's meet some more people. This is of course the hallway leading to all the operatories that that you'll be seeing the doctor in. So I wanted to introduce y'all to our clinical leader. Her name is Anne Marie. She works very closely with Dr. Katie. So let's see where she is. It's kind of a busy day today. So this is Anne Marie Bird. She's our clinical leader here at the North Shreveport location. She's head of all the clinical area, ordering materials, staffing. She's a very, very valuable part of our practice, and we love Anne Marie to death. She's been here 11 years, going on 12 years, right? And so she's been here a long time. She's seen and done it all, kind of like a lot of our other girls here. Anne Marie, you know, a new patient comes in our office, or any patient rather, comes into an operatory for a doctor to do a filling or an extraction or root canal or crown or whatever. I mean, what ways do we have to make them feel more comfortable in the operatory?
We know everybody's nervous. Nobody likes to come to the dentist, so we try to make it feel comfortable, make you feel like you're at home. We have headphones for you if you want to listen to music. We have blankets, pillows, TV if you want to watch something on TV. We try to make you feel as comfortable as possible and make you feel like you're at home.
Right. Well, I mean, what about the patients who are just like really nervous and they're scared to, you know, sit down in a chair? I mean, let's face it. I mean, I guess dentists are scary people, but I know a lot of people are nervous about coming to the dental office for treatment. I mean, do we have sedation options that you know you can tell our patients more about that might help them kind of get through their fears of doing dental work?
Right. We have 3 different options for patients. The first one is a light sedation. You can drive yourself here. It's called nitrous. You just wear a little nose and you breathe in and out of your nose, and it relaxes you a little bit, makes you feel a little tingly. The second option is a little bit deeper sedation, and you take something before you come. You have to have somebody drive you, stay here with you, and stay with you that day, but it relaxes you, almost gives you a little amnesia effect that you don't remember you're here. But it's a good type of sedation to where you're still awake, but you're relaxed. And then the last type of sedation is IV sedation. Of course, we have a CRNA.
Yeah, that's
He
right.
comes in and
yeah.
he comes in and he'll IV sedate you. You'll be completely sedated, and you won't remember what's going on. Patients like that sometimes. They don't want to know what you're doing. They just want you to get it done.
Yeah. That's when the CRNA puts you completely to sleep. You don't know you're here. You don't know what's going on. I mean, you're out. And a lot of people choose that option. I mean, it's great.
They love it.
They love it, right? Anne Marie, you've been with us, like I say, 11, going on 12 years now. I mean, what makes as a new patient, why would you want to come see you and Dr. Katie over here at this wonderful North Shreveport location? I mean, what sets us apart, different, you know, from other staffs or dental offices that might be out there?
We're all a team. I mean, if you go to any of our practices, we do everything the same way. We all work together to get the job done and get you in and out of here as fast as we can. But at the same time, we treat all of our patients like family. And I like coming to work every day because this is like my family. I have to leave my family, and if I have to leave to go anywhere, I want to come somewhere I feel comfortable. And they treat me like family, and we treat our patients like family. And you know, we want everybody to feel comfortable and know that we're here for them, and if they have questions, we're happy to answer them and spend time with our patients and treat them like family. That's what I would say.
Right. Well, great. Once again, Anne Marie's been with us for a very long time. I would cry every day if she left us. But anyway, she's wonderful, and hopefully we'll have her for 20 more years. But once again, it just speaks volume for the kind of people we have working here with us. They volunteer their time on the Dentistry from the Heart Day, the Trading Smiles Day, where we volunteer our dental services at no charge to patients that need dental care and can't afford it. But
I feel very blessed to work for a practice that I can give back through them and give my time and see patients and help people.
And our clinical team, y'all work so well together. Sometimes when you come in and you sit down for a doctor appointment, you'll notice that a lot of our assistants, they wear little earpieces and with radios, are constantly communicating about things they need. They work very well as a team, and we couldn't be more proud of our clinical staff, especially up here in North Shreveport. So y'all come and see him. We'd love to see you and treat you and your family and anyone else who needs dental treatment. So I want you to come meet some of the doctors here that actually work in the office. So thanks, Anne-Marie. Appreciate it. This is my beautiful wife, Dr. Katie.
Hi.
And she's a doctor here that's at the North Shreveport office on what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
And I'm here with her on Wednesdays to make sure she's staying in line, keep her in line. But anyways, Katie, when a patient sits down in your operatory, you know, what's the most important part about, you know, new patients or really all patients in general? What do you try to do with them? I mean, how do you try to make them feel more comfortable?
We love all of our patients here, and my biggest thing is I want to bond with the patient. I want to get to know you. I want to know your family. I want to, you know, if you have a lot of anxiety, we'll deal with that as well. Like I said, we just want to make everybody feel comfortable and welcome.
Right. As far as any dental treatment you do, you do fillings and root canals and crowns. You pretty much do it all. Restore implants and that you know, all those sorts of things. But you know, as a new patient coming to our practice, I mean, why would they want to come here? What makes the North Shreveport office a little different than maybe other offices in, you know, in other areas of the city or the state?
We treat all of our patients like family. So if you're looking for a new dentist, we want you to be part of our family.
Yeah. Well, great. So if you come early in the week, you'll more than likely be seeing Dr. Katie. You know, she's a great doctor. The patients love her. Like I said, she's got patients that come from Dallas and Natchez, Mississippi, you know, and Texarkana, and so they flock to see her, and we'd love to see you too. Thanks, Dr. Katie. Appreciate it. I want y'all to meet Dr. Cotton too. He's one of our other doctors here. This is Dr. Kyle Cotton. He's one of our doctors at the North Shreveport office on Thursdays and Fridays. So if you come one of those days, you'll be seeing him. Doc, I know you're doing, you know, root canals and crowns, extract. You pretty much do it all, right?
Yeah, over here we pretty much get everything you need. We'll get it done. Extractions if you need it, root canals, crowns, cosmetic dentistry. I mean, anything you need, we'll
Jack of all
gladly
trades.
take care of you. Yeah.
What about the patient that, you know, has an emergency toothache or they broke a tooth or something? I mean, can you pretty much squeeze it? I mean, especially on Fridays, I'm sure.
I know that's always when it happens too.
Yeah.
But anytime that you have a toothache, just give us a call. And 99% of the time, pretty much all the time, we can get you in that same day, and we'll treat it. We'll see what we can do. If nothing else, we can at least get you some medicine, get you some pain medicine, get you feeling better to kind of get you through any time that you need it.
And Doc, you've been with our office, what, 4 or 5 years now? Been that long? I know you worked at some other offices before you got here.
Right.
Man, what sets us apart from other offices that you may appeal to potential patients out there?
Yeah, it's a one-stop shop, I feel like. I mean, you can get everything done here. The staff is amazing.
Yeah.
Better than better than
I've been
anyone
bragging
else.
about it.
Yeah, the staff
they're
is
awesome.
Incredible. They'll take care of anything you need. And I mean, we go above and beyond pretty much to treat the patient.
Make our
That's the most
happy.
important thing. It's the patient. That's the most important thing.
That's right. And you know, a staff that cares as much as ours does makes our job a lot easier.
It does.
And they do such a good job making our patients feel comfortable and making them feel like family. And I agree with you. Yeah. So y'all come out and see us. And once again, this is Dr. Cotton. He's our Thursday, Friday doctor in North Shreveport office. So can't wait to see you. See you soon.
We'll see you then. You have a good one.